headed to Coron. Oh, hi! Hi, and welcome to a new video. So, Coron. So, yes, I left El Nido 3 days ago. I booked a ferry on one to go Asia, which is about 50 euros from El Nido to Coron. Supposed to last around 5 hours. You have to pay 20 pesos something fee, terminal fee, I think. And then you have 200 pesos fee again when you arrive in Coron. About Coron itself, to be honest, there is not much to do apart from doing boat tour. I've been to, because you can hike 720 stairs to access Mount Tapyas. I'm so bad. Name so bad. Mount something. And wait, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oh, hi! I'm on my way to do the only activity that you can do on Coron, which is climbing 700 stairs to see a viewpoint and to see the sunset, which is what I'm trying to do. I'm sweating as fuck and I'm dead from the inside. 200 more to go. So I booked a tour on getyourguide.com, which is a private tour, which pretty much do all of the nice spots that you can see on the public tour. You can choose whenever you want to leave, and I chose 6 a.m. because I wanted to beat the crowd and avoid, because I saw another YouTube video that the main spot, which is Kayaga, and I'm gonna put the name here, it gets very crowded very fast, so I didn't want that. So yes, so we arrived at 6:30, and apparently there's now new rules. Apparently you cannot go before 7:30. So if you're gonna book a 6 a.m. tour, make sure they tell you whenever you can go up and down. So then we went to the lake. and it's really good. One thing, yes, because of course. So I paid around 350 euros for that tour. So it's only me, the guide, and captain on the boat. Right. But to every spot you have to pay the environmental fee, because apparently the Aboriginal people that live there, it's their only source of income. So okay, fine. I know. I'm glad I to be. But the thing I don't like is that I pay the tour company 300 euros and I have to pay to access the places included in the tour. That makes no sense. So yeah, pretty much what happened yesterday after the COAC beach where I talked last time. We went to have lunch on some like deserted hidden beach. Very nice food, like some fish and pork and rice. And then we did some snorkeling in 2 different spots. And I got a snorkel with, not really, but I saw turtles, so I was very happy. But yeah, overall it was a very nice tour. Yeah, like I said, the only thing that like bothered me was the fact that you had to pay for every environmental fee at each spot. Like I don't understand why it wasn't in the package of the tour company. Because yeah, like I said, I agree with the fact that you have to contribute to like the Aboriginal people because they need the money, obviously. But the fact that when you pay a tour company like more than 300 euros for a private tour, you expect everything to be like included. So that's the only like bad thing, how to say, the only downside. Yes. Anyway, so yes, this is the end of Coron. Overall, I stayed about 5 days here, but I would recommend staying until 3 days. I think it's enough. You could do like 1 day boat tour where you can see like pretty much every spot. Either you can do it, like I said, public or private. It depends on if you want to avoid the crowd or if you want to decide when you leave. Make sure you check that every spot are going to be open if you leave early, because like I said yesterday, they changed, I think like maybe a week ago, one of the most like popular spots to visit that only opens now at 7:30, I think. So yes, that's something you have to check. And then maybe like one other day you can just chill on Coron Town and check the town. There's not much to see. And then for sunset you can hike like the 700 stairs to see the viewpoints. Tomorrow I'm leaving and I fly from Coron to Cebu. So yes, this is going to be the end of that video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please subscribe and put the like thingy. And I will see you in the next video. Yay!